I'm your friend Nisha. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So my friend, कैन यू इमेजिन अ प्लांट जिसे आप 3-4 दिन तक पानी देते हैं, केयर करते हैं और उस प्लांट को भी प्रॉपर सनलाइट भी मिलता है, लेकिन 3-4 दिन के बाद जो है आप केयर करना बंद कर देते हैं, पानी देना बंद कर देते हैं और ऐसी जगह पे रख देते हैं जहाँ से उस प्लांट को प्रॉपर सनलाइट भी नहीं मिलता है. सो कैन यू इमेजिन इन दैट सिचुएशन दैट प्लांट विल ग्रो? My friend, I'm 100% sure your answer is no. Why? Because you are completely aware of a cultivation of plant, that how a plant grow and what are the sources important to grow them. You know very well a plant need consistent care, water, sunlight, wind to grow, to improve. And that's how, my friend, their daily improvement growth turned them into huge tree. So similarly, my friend, I want to tell you here in this language, if you have dream, if you are someone want to become a fluent speaker, speak English effortlessly, smoothly. You speak broken English, but you want to see your broken English to change into fluent English, then my friend, your English also need consistent care, consistent practice. Practice in a listening, in reading, in speaking way, learning vocabs, writing way. Your English also need such practice, such effort, consistent effort, practice, growth. And that's how your English will improve every single day. And with daily improvement growth, your broken English, my friend, will turn into fluent English. And only it will be possible, my friend, when you will take care of your English, when you will, give your English consistent practice in listening, in reading, in writing, in learning vocabs way, in using them and working on your weak part. That's how you have to care your English, you have to practice your English, you have to learn, you have to give efforts. That's how your English will improve every day, and that daily improvement will turn into broken to fluent English. But my friend, if you are someone and has this tendency to work some days, work hard and then leave practice, not to do anything else, once again आपने किसी को देखा कि कोई अच्छा कर रहा है, अच्छा बोल रहा है, फिर आपका मोटिवेशन अंदर से जगा, फिर आप कुछ दिन के लिए प्रैक्टिस हार्डवर्क करते हैं, फिर छोड़ देते हैं, सेम थिंग यू रिपीट अगेन एंड अगेन, देन माय फ्रेंड, you will be stuck forever there. You will never ever reach to the fluency level. You will not speak English fluently if you have such tendency to walk, to practice your English. You will be always stuck wherever you are and whatever your level is. But if you are someone and really want and ready to practice consistently, anyway, give your hard work, learn, then my friend, you can grow, you can reach, you can speak, you can reach that fluency level. So my friend, now it's totally, clear that it is totally and totally in your hand. It's up to you and it's up to your consistent practice, consistent working, effort, hard work. If you give, then you will. If you not, then you can't. So what do you want? You want to be stuck or you want to choose growth? You want to be a fluent speaker. My friend, I know you are smart enough, intelligent enough. You will choose growth, improvement, fluency, and you are gonna do this. You are going to make it possible by taking a step, consistent practice. And definitely, my friend, you will. So that's what, my friend, I wanted to tell you. I wanted to aware you. Why? Because coming to a plant, you have that understanding. आप अच्छे से समझते हैं. Why? Because you have been observing that since your childhood. But coming to in English, this is the new language, new field. You are beginner here, you are trying to do this, so you don't have, but I have experienced, and that's why I'm making it easy for you to understand how to work and how not to work, what will work for you and what will not work for you, and how you can reach and how you can become. So my friend, I hope you like this video. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, have a beautiful day. We will meet in next video.